You work here?
Yes.
Someone called the police?
Yeah.
Hey.
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Could you take out this one, please?
Her?
Yes.
I just met him today. Don didn't inform me that he was the manager.
Okay. Is he in charge, though?
Don didn't tell me that.
But, are you guys... Hold on.
I just met him today.
Okay, that's fine. But are you guys the only two people here?
Yes.
Yes.
And he's
call my manager. Because this is my break time anyway.
Okay, we'll just stay over here. We can hang out back here, that's fine.
How you doing?
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
She's been extremely disrespectful. I was like, just go home. She's been on leave, so.
You know, if he's in charge and he's telling you to leave...
I just met him today.
What's her name?
I don't even know her name. Can't get her name.
Oh, is this her first day?
It's first day with me, at least. I know I've heard from other manager that she can be a pain.
Okay.
Hello. Hi, Don.
She's on the phone with the boss. Yeah. She's only been here. She only worked here 2 weeks.
Okay.
So he's definitely the one in charge. Does he not know him?
What?
Does he know her name?
He's like a manager. He came from another store, so he doesn't.
Yeah. You said he's from another store, but I didn't know that. I don't know what's his issue, but he keeps jumping in front of me and jumping to my register, and I told him I didn't like that.
What was she doing?
She's making their day harder than it has to be. Like, there's an older gentleman, like around 50, 60. He has his ID because he's buying like cigarettes or something. And instead of just scanning the ID, she just hear like, can I hold it in my hands? Can I hold it? He's like, you can't just scan it. It's right here in my hands. You know, like just scan the card. They just start back and forth and back and forth. I tell her it's gone because I'm not dealing with it. She already had 4 people walk away. And one of them were regulars.
Then he tried to send me home, and I told him I'm not going home unless Don tells me to, because you're not my manager.
Can I talk to her real quick?
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Your other employee here, he called us because I guess whatever issue they're having, he wanted... what's your name? He wanted Shaquila to leave for the night. She didn't want to leave, so now we're here.
You're going to have her go ahead and leave for the day because they're obviously not going to work well
Okay.
together.
We'll explain that to her, and obviously, you'll have to talk to her at a later time, okay?
Okay.
All right, you have a good rest of your night, ma'am.
I'm not done talking. I need to know.
You can call her back in a few minutes, but at this point, you gotta go, okay? You have to leave for the night. She's gonna contact you again. Maybe you guys can talk about it tomorrow, but she doesn't want you here either. She wants you to go.
She didn't say that.
She just said that to me, that she's has to tell you to leave for the night. We're gonna need you to go, okay?
Hello? He exaggerates more than
Shaquila,
the customer.
can we finish this conversation at a later date? He wants you to go. She's saying you gotta go. Let's just get our stuff and let's just go for the night, okay?
All right, Don. Am I not to return Monday? All right.
We good now?
Very well. No.
I know you're upset, but maybe you need to look for another job, find something else.
You don't have to stand here like I'm a criminal.
I'm not saying you're a criminal. I'm just waiting
Okay,
for
so
you.
why do you need to escort me out if I'm going to leave?
Well,
It's not
okay,
like
Shaquila, you're not gonna start arguing with me, okay? I'm just waiting for you to come.
Y'all not going to
Okay.
stand here like I'm...
They want you to leave.
Okay, and I'm going to leave.
Okay, well let's go.
But you're making
We'll
me
leave.
uncomfortable.
We'll leave when they leave. Or when you leave.
We've been rude to you or any type of way to you? We've been very patient. We've been very patient with you.
Excuse me.
All right, let's go.
You're not escorting me off the property. You're not doing that. No.
Oh, Shaquila, there's no reason to act like this.
If that's the case, I would like to file a complaint.
A complaint for what?
Because he's filing charges against me.
No one's filing charges against you. Hey, stop.
Please.
Just don't
See,
talk
this
to
is
her.
what
Just don't even engage. I just want her to go.
I'm saying. It was already just disrespectful.
Thank you, Shaquila.
I can't leave it out.
Without what? What are you just counting the drawer?
We have to count this down in order before we leave. That's proper protocol.
Are you almost finished? We can't sit around here waiting forever for you to get this done, okay? Be almost done. He could finish before you if necessary. Shaquila, you've been doing this for about 5-10 minutes now. We're
Just work me up so I can have focus.
Well, he can get it done for you. We can't stand here and wait for you to leave all night.
Did I hurt you? Did I hurt him? Okay.
I didn't say you did, but they want you to go.
I didn't say that I was causing harm.
I didn't say you were causing anything. Did I say you were causing harm? But this is still private property. So if they say you have to leave, you have to leave.
Hey, does she's like checking out her drawer right now. Do you want her to be touching this, or just want her to go? Okay, so you don't want her to check it. You just want her to leave. All right, thank you.
We ready to go?
No.
Well, what else you got to do? Because, I mean, we're on the phone with your manager right now.
I can't disclose that.
You said what?
I can't disclose that. I'm sorry.
You can't disclose what? Your work day's done, okay? It's time to go.
Okay. Hey, Shaquila, I just got the phone with your manager. She wants you to leave right now, okay? So she wants you to leave right now. Is it worth going to jail over this right now? Because you're about to go to jail. Hey, I talked to your manager. She said it's up to you. If you want her arrested now for criminal trespass, you want to pursue criminal trespassing charges, she will be arrested. We can't be here all day.
You clocked out and we're about to walk out the door. You're not even getting paid to do what you're doing right now. You're just playing games.
I just talked to your manager. She said it's up to you what you wanted to do.
Go with them.
Okay, all right. You're under arrest. Turn around.
Come on.
All right, let me put this up.
No,
Stop. You're done.
Okay.
This was really kind of dumb. Give me your hands.
You're under arrest. Turn around.
Shaquila, stop it.
Turn around.
Like, this is so dumb. All you had to do was walk out of the store. Shaquila, stop walking away. Shaquila, stop it.
It's on her purse.
Oh, it's on her purse? Yeah, that's fine.
Release me. Take
You're
me out.
under
Shaquila, I'm
arrest.
trying to double lock your handcuffs. Stop moving.
Get off me. Did nobody tell y'all to come here and do?
Yes,
none of
some
this?
people did tell us to come here. Your boss.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Okay, well, we explained it like 4 times. You just don't want to listen.
Trespassing now.
That's past. I
Yeah.
work here.
It's private property. You don't just get to stay here. It's not your building.
All right, come on.
Let's get that bag off her. When I take this handcuff off you, you're gonna sit still.
No, you don't take the handcuff off.
I'm
Release
good.
me like you said to me.
We're gonna get the bag off your back.
The bag isn't even on my back. It's in my hand.
I know, and we're gonna get it out of your hand. Just
You're
get it.
hurting me.
It's stuck
You're
on.
hurting me.
Stop it.
Then stop tightening up the cuff.
No one's tightening the cuff.
You're hurting me.
Shaquila, stop it. Shaquila, let go of the bag.
You want to believe me when I
Shaquila,
say that?
let go of the bag.
Stop me, you stupid
Okay.
pig. Y'all want to hurt me.
No one wants to hurt you. Let go of the. Okay, we're just gonna. Thank you, Ben. Just gonna cut it off.
Don't you cut my fucking bag. Don't threaten me like that. That's a threat.
It's not a threat. It's
Shut the f*** up and close the door and do what the f*** you gotta do. Dumb bitch. Your mama, bitch. Sick of getting in trouble for dumb shit I didn't even f***ing do.
I'm just gonna buckle her in.
I'm not going to jail for something I didn't f***ing do.
This was really unnecessary, Shaquila. All you had to do was leave the store.
Stop talking to me. I didn't do nothing.
I'm gonna be in Erupts jail with that female. Starting mileage 11.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't even f***ing do anything. I would like to call my dad. I didn't even do nothing to that light-skinned motherfucker.
Okay, well, I don't think you're understanding here. All you had to do was leave the store and you wouldn't be going to jail.
Calm down my drawer. What the f***? I didn't hurt nobody.
Your boss said it was time to go. I'm not gonna argue with you.
radio.
Fine, if we weren't getting along, we would start this shit.
Okay, Shaquila, I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm not gonna. Okay.
You.
That's really smart. Here's her bag. Yeah, we had a fight over the bag. Alright, hop up, please, Shaquila.
Touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you. Just walk into the jail, please.
Put my coat on.
Just walk in the jail.
Okay, but I'll still be having
Shaquila,
coat on. Just do one thing.
walk in the jail and stop! Shaquila, get up! Okay, this is stupid. Okay, Shaquila, you're gonna get charged with more things
Get
if
the
you don't stop.
f*** off me.
Okay, you just need me in the groin, you're done.
Get off of me.
Alright, stop.
Get off of me. Get
All right.
off. Get off of me. Get off of me.
I lost my handcuff key when we
Get
were
off
dealing
of me.
earlier. Give me your handcuff key.
Get off of
Or
me.
no, actually no. Leave it on.
Get off of me. Y'all keep f***ing me. I'm tired of all of y'all.
Shaquila,
Get off of me.
turn over.
Don't touch me.
Okay, if you
Don't f***ing touch
on
me.
the ground.
Don't touch me.
the way you're acting right now is
I don't
helping.
give a f***. You and your mama.
Thank you for sitting down.
I'm sick of y'all. Always f***ing with me. Everybody keep f***ing with me. Leave me the f*** alone. I'm dead ass serious.
Okay, gladly.
Can't even f***ing do my job. What the f*** do you want? Stop staring at me.
I'm
Do
not
your
doing
job.
anything to
Do
you.
your job then.
I am.
Stop f***ing looking at me. Do your job.
I am doing my job. We're waiting for the corrections officer to come downstairs. Stop acting like a child.
You are a child.
Yeah, okay.
You your mama's child.
You're right.
Ass bitch.
You're right, I am. Where'd you find that? Oh, thanks.
Right.
I'm 24 from get-go. That deal I just, when they closed at 29 hours.
Trespassing.
Oh, trespassing. This is my f***ing job. Stop saying that dumb shit.
Better sit down. You're just gonna.
No, you shut the f*** up, you pig. Stop f***ing laughing like it's funny.
I'm definitely not laughing. Trust me.
I'm tired of this shit. I didn't even f***ing do nothing.
Evan, the charges are trespassing.
I'm not trespassing.
Just sit
Stop
down.
saying that dumb shit. Don't touch me before I step on your face.
Then don't walk at me. Sit down and be quiet.
I don't like you.
That's
I
fine.
thought you was a f***ing threat.
Oh, I'm not threatening.
I'm dead ass serious. I don't f***ing like you.
Okay.
All right, sit.
Stay the f*** away from me. I'm dead ass serious.
All right, listen. Are you gonna stop standing up and coming at
Stop
us?
talking to me. You already know.
I don't know anything.
Stop talking to me. Don't say that.
The sooner you cooperate, the
Just do
sooner you
your
get out of
job.
here.
Just do your job.
Is everything
Do your
fine?
job. Just do your job. Looking at me stupid ain't gonna get you nowhere. Just do your job.
I'll be back.
Don't touch my ass.
I'll take your handcuffs off. Hey,
Don't snatch my arm. I'm not moving, so get down.
Trying to bite me?
Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me!
You trying to bite me?
Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me!
What the f is that smell?
Stupid ass!
You need him in
Get
the
off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! For real! For real! Don't touch me! No! He just touched my breast. Shoes go in my pocket. Don't f***ing touch me. I'm dead serious. Don't f***ing. You're hurting me! Put your
Just stand there, relax.
You're
Take
hurting
the
me
stuff
for
out your
the
pocket.
time! Get off of me! You're doing it on purpose!
you can't.
Get off! Get off of me! Get off!
Okay, Shaquilla, you need to relax.
It's hurting me! You're hurting me!
Do not stomp on my foot.
Get off!
Watch, she's gonna try to bite you.
I'm about to call my dad.
Well, you're not gonna do anything.
I'm about to call my dad. I want to talk to my dad.
What do you want?
I want my dad.
What'd you say?
Put her in the chair.
Okay, come on.
Yeah.
Come over here. Sit
You
down.
already hurt
Sit down.
I want my dad.
All right.
I want my dad. I
Sit back.
Not to
Sit back. Sit back.
I do not deserve it. I want my dad. I want my dad. He's pushing me off. Your communication is off. Get off me.
Just sit back.
You're hurting me.
Shaquilla, this is ridiculous.
I'm not cooperating because you hurt me.
Okay, well, we're trying to
You
help you
hurt
out.
me.
Sit still.
Sit back.
Sit back and sit still.
No.
Listen.
No! F- you! I want to call my dad now! I want to call my dad! I want my dad! Get this off of me! This is hurting! Get off! The way he got it off! Get off!
Because you're acting how you're acting, you have to sit here.
Get these cuffs off of me! Get off of me! I don't want you touching me! You violate my privacy! I want to bite you if you don't get off of me!
bite me? You're gonna get another
You shouldn't even touch my boob! That's sexual harassment! Get off of me! Get off! Oh my god. No!
Her legs up.
Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get these off of me!
Thank you. Hey, how'd you get? Okay.
I'm not even doing nothing. Stop trying to hurt me.
You bite me?
Get off
gonna
of
get
me.
in the car.
Get off of me. Get off of me. I don't give a I'll bite your fucking nose off, you stupid bitch. You're hurting me. Why did you turn my nails? You're doing it on purpose. Get off of me. Get off. I want to call my dad. I want to call my dad. You're treating me so bad.
You're trying to bite us and you're kicking us.
She kicked me. She needs you in the groin.
Assault on a PO? Yeah. Definitely assault on a PO.
After finally being able to continue Shaquila's booking process, she was charged with criminal trespass and 2 counts of assault on a peace officer. A bond was set at $25,000 for each assault charge, totaling $50,000. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.